Do you guys ever just order something online and patiently just wait for it to come? You're just so excited. Chicklin, you're in my shot. You're just so excited for it to come. Well, I got what I ordered today. Some broken window visors. Stay tuned. As you guys saw, I did order some window visors for my car. They came broken and I was so angry, but only one of them came broken, so I literally just emailed the company and they sent me some brand new ones ASAP, like within 2 days. Like seriously, it only took 2 days. And look, this is the broken one that it came with, and the freaking UPS driver just threw it in. I don't know what he did. I don't know if he was jamming to some music or something, but this thing is completely cracked. So let's go ahead and install some window visors on my car. Alright guys, so here are the brand new ones that I received. Literally the company sent me brand new ones within 2 days, so shout out to that company. And these are not broken. I double checked everywhere. These also are the ones that come with the clips that go on right here on your little plastic seam. So also, one thing I did want to show you guys is I've been shopping at Walmart like 24/7, and I noticed this right here. This is called it's from Motes and Bokers Liftoff, and it's basically sticker, tape, and adhesive remover. Breaks the molecular bond. Dude, this is like history class right here, man. Between adhesive and surface. So I'm gonna try this out. I'm gonna spray it right along here because this is where my old visors used to be. And in my opinion, guys, visors absolutely add a certain type of touch to your car that makes it look just a little bit thicker. So let's go ahead and get right to the install. Sweet, short, juicy gusher video coming your way. All right guys, so we got the spray here. We're gonna go ahead and spray the edges here. Damn, that's pretty messy. I'm gonna go ahead and start wiping it off. Watch my paint start stripping. Oh! Dude, I need to add some wax after my car. Damn. Alright, so right off the bat, look at that. Taking off the old adhesive. There's a bunch right here. So let me finish both sides and I'll get back to the other steps, okay? Alright guys, I just finished taking off the adhesive. I figured that spray is like kind of oily, so I had to put some detailer on the car because they went everywhere. But couldn't take off some of it. If you guys can see right there, if it wants to focus, there's still some residue there. Honestly, Gonzo score a 6 out of 10 because that one's all right. It took off some of it, but the parts that were really kicked on there, it didn't really do much. So this side, as you can see, all right here, I don't know if it wants to focus. You see all that residue? It didn't want to come off, so Gonzo score 6 out of 10. Hey, it's whatever. Alright guys, so next step, I'm going to remove this bunky, double-sided, cheap adhesive tape, and I'm going to put, which, you know your boy Gonzo had to go to Walmart and buy some Gorilla heavy-duty, holds up to 30 pounds, aka waterproof indoor and outdoor mounting tape. I'm going to cut half of the slip off, put it around the edges, and put the clips on each of the visors, and I'll show you guys the next step. Esto es basura. Oh, basura. Drop my visor. Alright guys, so I went ahead and replaced the old double-sided tape with this Gorilla double-sided tape, and I put the screws in there. I don't know if I did this right, but I did it looks like a screw. I punched it through the back and I put this little washer over it. There's like a little hook that attaches to your car. So let's go ahead and install this bad boy. Alright guys, this is gonna be the final result, and guys, come on, seriously, like you can't deny these window visors add a certain type of oomph to the car. Like, this is the front view. It just makes the car look just a tad bit wider, and I'm just in love with these, you know. These are really affordable, really cheap, and if you guys are looking for a really nice mod that doesn't cost a lot of money, highly recommend these window visors because they're only like, for my car they were like 35 bucks. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. It was a short, juicy gusher video today. But keep in mind, don't forget to follow me on my Instagram, aesthetic_gonzo, because I'm always throwing out little teasers of my next video. Don't forget to share the video with your friends and family. Subscribe. Give me a big, juicy thumbs up. Guys, wait on it. I'm coming out with bangers, trust me. And I'll see you on the next video. Oh my god. Is that Chicky Weenie? Is that Chicky Weenie?